guys, it's Savannah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cute little video that is starring one of my favorite palettes recently, which is the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. I'm doing like a glowy peachy summer look, which is what I'm wearing right now. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to know how to get something similar to what I'm wearing right now, then keep watching this video.
Okay, so after just looking at your makeup list self and admiring it, of course, you're going to be using this Vichy new moisturizer. I really like this one. It's the new Aqua Therapy one. Super great for dry skin. And as always, I am just using my MAC Studio Fix powder. I am a shade C4 in the summer. And I am just using my Too Faced Mr. Right brush. This is my favorite brush for applying any type of powder. And I'm just kind of brushing it all over my face. This is a Milani blush in the shade Rose D'Or. It's a really pretty shade. It's got some gold flecks in it. And I'm just jamming out, I guess. Blush jams. In the summer, I love to layer blushes, so I'm just also layering these Pacifica ones together. There's like a nudie one and a pink one, and I do end up blending this out, so don't worry. Now I'm just applying some of my Painterly Paint Pot, and I just use this as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm about to put on, which is from, of course, my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. This stuff smells, like probably as you can tell right now, amazing. Next, I'm just taking my favorite shade from the palette, which is just called Bellini, and applying that all over my lid, as well as taking the color beside it called Candied and just placing a tiny bit in the outer corner. Next, I am mixing the colors Puree and Summer Yum, which are another two of my favorites from the palette, and putting these into my outer corner and blending them outwards. This really helps bring the whole entire look together. I love how it looks with the shimmery Bellini color. I just came back in with Bellini a little bit on my eyelids to make sure the sparkle was still apparent, and then I also blended it all out with a blending brush. Next, I'm using my absolute favorite highlighter. I'm sure you guys have heard me rave about it before. It is just called Soft and Gentle by MAC, and I am applying that to my nose, my upper lip, and my cheekbones. I'm just trying out a new drugstore mascara that is by Essence, and it's actually pretty good. Another one of my favorites for summer has just been this Mellow Cosmetics lipstick. I wear this with pretty much everything because it's a really pretty neutral color. And then of course topping it off with my Mariah Carey lip gloss, which is a little bit of sparkle but also a little bit of nude color, and it just looks so pretty on top.
That's the finished look, guys. This is what it looks like. Very peachy, very glowy. Of course, I use my Sweet Peach palette. I'm absolutely in love with it recently. That's upside down. I'm really in love with my Sweet Peach palette recently. Just everything from like the glittery colors to like the matte colors and like everything. I just love all of it. I love it all so much. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I got a lot of requests to do some more makeup videos, so here I am doing some more makeup videos. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you liked it or what other makeup videos you want me to do or other makeup things you want me to try. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!